Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. We'd like to do something a little different today. We would love to show you some of the beautiful critters that have graced our garden and ponds, and we want to start out with some pretty old clips here. This is a magnificent red-tailed hawk that really shocked us. Norm and I are in the house and we're chatting in delight and trying to figure out what kind of hawk it is. We apologize for the quality of this video, but it's because it was with a 35mm camera and Norm is zoomed in a bit on him. So be patient. The quality of this gorgeous bird will be easily seen in the next video clip that Norm did standing outside right by it after it's had its bath here. So we hope you enjoy some of these older videos too, and some current ones, and we hope your day is beautiful. Thank you so much for watching and your great support.
Alright, we're back out in the front yard now. I got an umbrella on me. He's just sitting on a fence, looking at me like, yeah, I don't know what you're doing. Everybody's driving by and good. Starting to let up a little bit. August 19th, 2008. I'm out in the front yard and this huge hawk dropped by. Came in the backyard first, took a bath in the creek. Now he flew up to the front here and I'm standing in the front driveway taking a picture of this guy. And he's just sitting there listening to me talk to myself, looking at me like we're old buddies. A nice rainbow behind us. It started giving us a sun shower here, and it's pouring down pretty good. He's trying to dry his feathers. He got them all wet in the pond, and now it's been pouring too. guy sees the hawk. He'll stop to look at it himself. Well, what are you going to do here?
Go. Oh, there goes the white duck. Oh, there goes the white duck. Oh, he flew away. Well, unfortunately, I didn't have it on record when it was landing. This is the Sunday after Thanksgiving, 2008. We finally got some snow. I can't believe the little white duck flew away already. Oh, he did go up to the bin. He was one of the last ones to land. I'm taking this film because there's a very strange duck out there. A very white chest and neck in the foreground. I believe it's December 2nd, 2015. Seems like he's not very popular.
It's Saturday morning, the 13th of January, and this fox is right out here. He sees us, hears us. Look at that,
He'll take the whole bowl.
I hope he likes ham.
He's going to take the whole bowl, Norm.
Come on, boy. Just take a bite. You like ham? Oh, look at that. He's afraid of it. Oh, where are you going? He's going to go over there a little.
Check it out.
It's a little safer place.
Meat. Oh, this is a treat compared to a bunch of fat. Poor thing. Why can't he find any rabbits?
He's too
slow. Slow fox.
Oh, look at that. He's chewing it up. Oh, hey, this is good stuff. I don't care if that owl's looking down at me or not. Isn't that something, Peg?
Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, that's a tasty treat, but
yeah.
He's saying I shouldn't have all that salt.
Well, we'll get saltless ham next time, okay?
It's smoky.
He's going to come back here in a minute and pick up some more.
He or she.
Come on. Oh, you're making noise.
I'm sorry.
Here it comes.
Yeah, that bowl. It's probably a female.
Whoa, look at that big hunk. Wow.
Oh.
Trying to get it in his mouth.
Look at the way he's... I bet that's a female.
Think so?
Yeah. Probably just because...
Oh.
'cause I'm kind of full, but...
Now she's checking around to see if anything's going to come and fight her for it. I think I'm okay.
She's probably full, so she'll take that and go somewhere.
Jump over the fence again. Runs across Josh's yard. Jumps over.
In her den.
Hi. How are you, huh? Yeah. What are you guys doing out here? Hmm? What are you guys doing out here so soon? Where's your mom? Hmm? Hmm? You just gonna hide here? Huh? You just gonna go hide behind the bush? Are you? Gonna go hide behind the bush, huh? Yeah? Come here. Come on. You guys hungry? Hmm? You want some to eat? Hmm? Come here. Come here. Oh, come here. Yeah. There you go. Let's go. Here. Let me open the gate. Let me open the gate. Let me open the gate. Yeah, go on in there. Go ahead. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. That's a good girl.
The leaves are ending up yards away, way up in the air. Just very, very far up in the sky. It's so weird to see that. Oh, look, 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 look. See what I mean? Just gusts of wind to like 30 miles an hour or so, they said. Oh my goodness. Oh no. It's kind of fun. Spooky October weather, huh? Oh, look at those grasses. I just love looking at those grasses. They were so colorful just the other day, but it's just very severe drought here. I wish the sun was on them a little more, but the neighbor's tree, big willow tree, is shading them right now, half of them anyways. Yeah. What a crazy day.
I got some unexpected guests here. I got it on telephoto, so I got to try to calm down here so I don't get jumping around too much, but I don't know where the heck these guys came from, and now they're coming right at me here. I'm going to put it down on 3. That's a little better. And there's a neighbor coming up here with his dog. These guys are pretty ugly looking. I just put garland on the fence. Never seen wild turkeys run around our neighborhood. I don't think they fly that much, but I'm sure they could fly into our backyard because it's all fenced in, but they're looking for some food, and I just put it out down there. They're going to circle a couple more times and then come on in. Look at all this coming in. Wow. That's only about half of them. They're circling around to try to find a place to land without hitting everybody. Look at all these. Wow, that's quite a bit. Look at them all in Dennis's yard. They're trying to figure out how to get over here. A couple of them are smart enough. Well, he's back again, or she's back again.
Oh, this is wonderful.
Yeah. The ducks in the pond are looking at her like, what is that?
Oh, really?
Well, she wasn't here yesterday, but she was a day or so earlier. The gray squirrel's looking at her. Oh, it's chasing her. Okay, you two cut it out. She's going to make him dizzy. Wow, they're all over the place.
Oh, no.
It's been a busy morning here. The white squirrel hasn't been here for a couple of days and was milling around out here, so I threw some peanuts out. ducks down there at the pond. They see me throwing something out, so they came up to investigate and found out it was peanuts, not corn. So now I've got some corn I'm going to take down to them. And when they came up, they chased the squirrel away, the white one. But it's back, and there's a gray one down here too that's kind of minding his own business. Looks like they're not chasing each other around very much, but my egg's getting cold, so I'm going to throw some corn out and have my egg. Well, this guy seemed to think that I put some corn out, and that's not true. And here's the rest of the troops. They're all coming over here, one at a time. Now they're eating peanuts. I thought that was corn I was throwing out, and it's not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ducks. A gray squirrel and the white squirrel got scared and ran off because the ducks all showed up. They thought I was putting corn out up here for them because they're used to that too, but we're trying to put the corn out and back down past the chimney there and not have it all be such a mess where we want to sit and have fires at night. I'm going to go get some corn and walk it out there. I'm sure they're all going to fly away, but they're all out of corn to munch on, and they've been swimming around in the pond. Here's the squirrel, right on the front step here, not knowing what to think about. Well, here she is again, first one in the morning, hunting around for food. Nobody else around, no ducks, no other squirrels. Just her rummaging through the grasses trying to find a little peanut. She's really something. So fun to have her come around every day now.
Oh my goodness, perfect.
There we go. Haven't seen a fox here in a while. He's in our neighbor's yard, and a couple of squirrels that were over there took off and landed on our side.
I thought that was a little too big to be a cat. Look at
Yeah, he's not a very big one. He's pretty small, Peg.
Wow.
Now he's heading.
Oh,
now he just went under Ron's fence, and now he's in the next neighbor's yard down.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and there he goes. It's hard to see.
Oh,
Too bad he's so far away.
I see him. Oh, wow.
Yeah, now he's out of sight totally.
Oh.
He was in Ron's yard closer to our side when Peggy first spotted him this morning.
Oh, I just hope.
What time does the clock say, Peg?
6:15.
6:15 this morning on Tuesday, May 23rd. May 23rd. He's gone. There's a deer that was in our yard when I opened the door to check for an Amazon delivery.
At least he stopped there for you.
Yeah, there he goes. He's gone.
There are lots of ponds, and you typically see Canadian geese and ducks, and you will see trumpeter swans that they've possibly placed here. There's lots of seagulls, like over there, because of the restaurants. We always see seagulls. But we saw, when shopping across behind us, we saw a huge flock of very, very, very big looking white birds that had a lot of black on them. It took us a few seconds to figure out that it has to be the white pelican, American white pelican. And so we're standing on a hill in front of my dentist's office. It's a steep hill, but we drove over here to see if we could catch a glimpse of these pelicans. Oh, their necks are so tall. Yeah.
black wingtips.
I just know I'm sorry that it's really jumpy. I'm trying to zoom in with one hand holding it. Very, very hard to do. And you barely move, of course. I'm zoomed in about 15 times here, it says.
Yeah, and then there's a group that went out by themselves.
Oh, way out there. Oh, I'm going to lose track of these really, really quick. I'm so zoomed in.
There you go.
Oh, that is so cool. The last time we saw this, St. Michael, was it?
I think so.
There was a pond, and we just happened to catch a glimpse of them. But it wasn't but a day or two later, I was home alone, and I spotted them flying in circles just north of our house. So they actually ended up right over our house, circling around where you really could see them. It was quite fun. What are the dark birds out there, Norm, to the right of that little island?
Those look like they might be Canadian geese.
Canadian geese with them.
And that's amazing because Canadian geese are pretty big. But look at the size of these.
So cool.
Pelicans are huge.
Yeah, I hate to be zoomed in this far. I have to hold this phone very, very steady, which is hard for me to do. If we had only had,
Nikon with a 300 millimeter lens.
We have a wonderful lens, and we don't typically carry it in the car. We just don't think you're going to run into something like this, especially in downtown. They're not going to find any fish in here, I don't think.
I don't think so, no.
It's just a little pond. I'm going to try to go back out slowly. This is hard to do.
There's 13 in this group alone. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
So you can get an idea how far away we are.
Another 18 farther behind them. And then that whole little island over there just packed with them.
You see how far away we are? See, there's beautiful condos over there.
There's a father with his little daughter over there watching them.
Oh.
See how they're coming back now? Try to zoom in on those.
This is... Oh, there's some flying right there.
That's seagulls there.
Is it? I love the sound of seagulls. It just always reminds you of Duluth. Look at him flying around the... I hope I'm getting something halfway decent, and again, I apologize for being a little shaky, but this is like 5 times the magnification right now.
Yeah, that's too bad.
That's 16 times. Yeah, I wish they were close, but I don't know how spooked these birds can be. Canadian geese, obviously.
If you go down there on the sidewalk and
Nothing spooks them.
And jump up and down like a crazy man and see what they do.
No.
They get attacked by them.
It was so gorgeous when we were just coming out of a store. Behind us and across the road, across a busy road, our main drag through the town. We just saw these huge birds circling. Usually it's seagulls, but closer looking at them, we thought, that's not seagulls, that's that batch of pelicans that we've seen. And you know, this was actually years ago, Norm. I don't know how many years ago that was that they flew over our house. Well, I'm not so sure it was that many, but it was a lot. We have not seen them, happen to catch them flying over the house. I'm getting really tired arms holding the camera up.
I don't think they're going anywhere, so.
No, they're not going anywhere, but isn't that fun? Yeah, this is a rare sight for us, so I hope you enjoyed seeing them too. You may live in an area that just doesn't happen to be in a, what, would you consider that their flyway then?
Could be, yeah.
If they're headed north. It's funny that they ended up in such a small pond. That is a very small pond. I'll zoom back out again so you can see it's not very big. Isn't this the area where they shoot off fireworks, like
Yeah.
kind of over the pond
On the 4th of July,
to
they
be
shoot
more
off
careful?
fireworks over
So people congregate all around
there. Yeah.
this area, probably fill this hill.
It's packed in. If
We
you
are
have those
standing
apartments over
on
there, you gotta-
we're standing on quite a hill. Our car's up there,
there's a windmill
our
up
van
there.
right there. And what's so scary was they were flying so close to this huge windmill. It's the only one in our city, and it's because the company right beneath it is Great Northern something.
Power.
Yeah, so is that an advertisement in a way?
I don't
Or are they
know.
just running their whole building with that?
They haven't run it.
Who
They don't have
knows?
that.
They could be running.
They've got a big bank of
So this is where I come for a dentist appointment on the far end there, middle row of windows, and I see out here whenever I'm at those rooms. You can see out a little bit, and you can usually see swans back here. So thank you, Pelicans. You are magnificent. I wish we could see you really close. So sorry for all the jumpiness.
Yeah, that big one, boy, if he took off, you see how big he is.
You're gonna starve staying on that little island. Yeah, they're just resting, preening. So fun.